Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Today we are making Vietnamese yogurt. What's the difference between Vietnamese yogurt and all the other yogurts on the market, you ask? Well, Vietnamese yogurt is made with sweetened condensed milk. The yogurt, of course, is going to be tangy, but also sweet and creamy. It is incredibly easy to make with just a few ingredients, and you don't need any special equipment to make it. I'll show you a simple and foolproof way to make this tasty dessert. Alright, no more yapping, let's begin. Yay! First off, you will need a starter yogurt. If you have a Vietnamese supermarket or a Vietnamese banh mi sandwich shop near you, you can pick up a starter yogurt there. This is the brand that I like to use for this recipe. But if you don't have a Vietnamese supermarket or a Vietnamese sandwich shop near you, then you can just use any brand of plain whole milk yogurt as long as one of the listed ingredients on the back of the container is live active cultures. Okay, let's preheat the oven at 150 degrees for 25 minutes. After the 25 minutes, turn off the oven and leave the door closed. Do not open the oven door because you'll just let the warm air out. In the meantime, we are going to make the yogurt mixture. Heat up some water in a tea kettle, and before the water comes to a boil, turn off the heat and set it aside for just a moment. Pour the sweetened condensed milk into a mixing bowl. Then add in the hot water and stir until they are combined. Next, place the cold milk in the microwave for 1.5 minutes to bring it to room temperature. Now add the warm milk to the mixture. Place the cold half and half milk in the microwave for 45 seconds to bring it to room temperature as well. Then add it to the mixture. Lastly, add in the yogurt and stir until everything is well combined and there are no lumps. Should there be any lumps after stirring it for a few minutes, you can strain the mixture through a mesh sieve. Transfer the mixture to some kind of container with a spout for easy pouring. Then evenly fill the containers that you're using with the yogurt mixture. I am using these 8-ounce mason jars and filling each of them with 6 ounces of the yogurt mixture. You can find the link for these mason jars in the description box below if you're interested in getting some for yourself. Should there be any air bubbles on the top of the yogurt mixture, you can simply use a spoon to scoop them out to give the yogurt a smooth surface. In a tea kettle, bring some water to a near boil. Before the water should come to a boil, turn off the heat. Then fill the baking tray halfway with the hot water. Do not put the lids on the jars yet. Just lay some paper towels over the jars. Then place a cookie sheet or baking tray on top of the paper towels. Transfer the baking tray to the oven, but it is very important to double check that the heat is turned off. The yogurt needs to incubate for 8 hours, so just leave the yogurt in the closed oven, and it is not necessary to turn on the oven light. After 8 hours, you can check to see if the yogurt is done by slightly tilting the jar. There shouldn't be any liquid dripping from it. It should now be solid. Once the yogurt is done, place them in the refrigerator for 4 hours to chill. And this is what the finished yogurt looks like. Once you see how easy it is to make your own yogurt, you'll probably never buy yogurt at the supermarket again. I would suggest, though, making a batch of yogurt in the morning, and then by the end of the day, you'll have some tasty yogurt to enjoy. The recipe is available at www.eatwithemily.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And until next time, I'll see you later, alligator. Bye!